Today I figured I'd show you a simple yet effective pest control method that you can use out of the ingredients right out of your own cupboard. So stay with me. First you will need 91% isopropyl alcohol and then just a little bit of dish soap. They do claim Dawn dish soap works the best, but this is what we have, so this is what we're going to use. First you're going to need a spray bottle, or a spray thing that you're going to use. I use this little handy dandy brown one. First you're going to mix up a third. You want to fill this up a third of the way with your isopropyl alcohol. It certainly doesn't have to be perfect or exact, but do the best you can. For me, my third mark is this little indentation on the bottle. The rest will be filled up with water. Next, you just need a drop or two of your soap. And that's going to act as the sticker, what basically holds and sticks and also helps suffocate any bugs that would be on your living plants. So let's head over and fill it up with some water. So now we have everything all mixed up. We have a third part isopropyl alcohol, a couple dashes of soap, which is going to act as the suffocant, and then filled the rest with water. Now to be ideal, you wouldn't want to use tap water due to the ppm hardness. The most effective would be rainwater or RO water or spring water. So now that you have them mixed up, all you'd have to do is shake it up and then spray your plants and spray the top of your soil for any kind of critters. The alcohol is going to act as an irritant and kind of dry out the bugs and any kind of waxy coating that those bugs would have. And then your soap is going to act as a suffocant, suffocating the bugs and not allowing them to be able to breathe. So there's your tip on how to make a cheap and effective insect or pest control for your plants or your indoor garden or for your outdoor garden. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned next time. We'll catch you later. Peace.